Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a DIY pumpkin hair mask. I love making DIY hair masks. I did a DIY pumpkin hair mask last week and my hair was so soft and my curls were extra juicy, so I'm really excited to do this one again today. I only wash my hair about once a week and I try to do it on the same day so I don't forget when the last time it was. So I've recently been washing my hair on Mondays and today's Monday, so my hair is ready for this mask. I made a reel of the last pumpkin hair mask and I'm gonna make a reel doing this hair mask today as well. So make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram so you don't miss anything. I love posting on there every day. I found both of these hair masks on Pinterest. So pumpkin has a lot of benefits. I'm just gonna read this off of my phone. It aids in hair growth. Pumpkins contain biotin, which is the king of B vitamins because it promotes super hair growth. Biotin aids in the production of keratin, which is the protein that is within our hair strands. Also, omega fatty acids promote hair growth as well, which is in pumpkin seeds. I'll have the ingredients to both of these masks listed in the description box so you can make them yourself. So I've already detangled my hair and brushed it out so I can apply the hair mask with no problem. I'm just brushing it through one more time because I had it in a ponytail. And the last hair mask I did had Greek yogurt in it, so I feel like the consistency looked a lot more appealing. But this one just has honey and coconut oil, so it doesn't look as creamy. So I always start by applying it to my ends and then I work my way up and saturate my whole head, even my scalp. Because I have psoriasis and I tend to have flare-ups on my scalp, which sucks because it just looks like I have really bad dandruff, but I don't. It's just my psoriasis, so that's why I always make sure to drink my greens every day because that definitely helps as well. I just got a trim about a month ago and I'm trying to grow my hair back out because I just want it to be long and healthy. But I really love the layers that I have. I haven't colored my hair this whole year just because I'm trying to grow it out and it's been about 10 months since it's about to be October, so. Ooh, it's kind of messy. This mask feels like I'm applying straight pumpkin out of the can to my hair because there's no yogurt in it. Once my hair feels like it's getting nice and saturated with the mask, I will split it and then grab middle sections individually and apply more of the mask because when you split your hair like that, you'll see that you have a lot of hair that hasn't been penetrated by the mask yet. So this way you get every strand. Look at the mess I made. But it's really easy to clean up. So I just clipped my hair up and I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 minutes to an hour. It's really up to you. I'm also gonna double cleanse my hair, which I always do when I wash my hair regardless of whether I do a DIY hair mask or not. So the first cleanse kind of loosens everything up and then the second cleanse actually really cleans your hair and gets rid of all of that buildup. So if you're not double cleansing, you definitely should start. I also forgot to mention that I post curly hair tutorials along with beauty and lifestyle content. So make sure you're following me on Pinterest as well because I post everything on there too. And now that Halloween's right around the corner, I have a lot of really fun recipes that I'm gonna be posting. It's the next day. I slept with the silk bonnet to protect my curls and I already refreshed my hair. I have a few videos showing you how I do that, so I'll link those below as well. I have a few thoughts. My hair is really soft, but I will say that I still prefer the pumpkin mask that I used last week because the consistency was just a lot easier to work with. So if you're gonna try using one of these pumpkin masks, I recommend using the one that I did last week and I'll have those ingredients listed in the description box. This one was okay, but it was just a little difficult to work with because it didn't have the yogurt. It wasn't a creamy consistency, so I don't like blow drying my hair or using a diffuser to dry it because I just love to let it air dry. It does kind of take all day, but I kind of plan my days around washing my hair anyway, so it works out for me. My husband and I went for a walk at the park yesterday and I asked him to take a video of my hair, so it looked really nice and I do love the results, but I did try a new product while I was styling my my hair. That's why it looks a lot different than it usually does. I feel like I have a lot more volume, and I wasn't sure if I liked it at first, but I feel like it's growing on me. So if you don't know Leanna Deep, she's a fitness influencer who has the most beautiful curly hair, and she just dropped her curly hair routine, and she was raving about this product right here. It's the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I picked it up from Target. She did use a few products in her video, and I was really happy to see that she loves the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie like I do, because I have been using this for years, and this is my tried and true product for styling my hair. It smells delicious, and it just keeps your curls looking soft, shiny, like just everything you want. So when I styled my hair, I really wanted to put this to the test, and I only used this product. So that's why my hair looks a lot different today. It has a lot more volume. Like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I still prefer my Shea Moisture, and I love my Pattern Curl Gel. Using these two in conjunction is a game changer. So the next time I style my hair, I'm definitely gonna be using the Shea Moisture with it, and I'm sure I'll like it a lot more. I'm gonna reapply the pumpkin hair mask with the yogurt again next week, and I'll film a whole YouTube video about it, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Every time I do a DIY hair mask, I can always tell a difference in my curls. They're always a lot more coily and bouncy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try out one of these pumpkin masks yourself. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.